if you struggle making covers that people actually want to buy, I'm going to show you exactly how to make this $200 cover in literally 2 minutes. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and grab an image. Actually make a cover, you want to make sure your dimensions are actually set up properly. So you want to make it 3000 by 3000 pixels, 300 resolution. Now you want to place your image into your document and you want to go ahead and hit remove background. Now once your background is removed, you want to right click on your layer and you want to go to convert to smart object. So you want to hit Ctrl J to duplicate, and then we're going to hit Ctrl T, and then we're going to click on this point in the middle here. We're going to hold Alt and we're just going to drag out. Now once you have your image, click on this little box button at the bottom and that will create a layer mask. Now you want to go to your color switcher and you want to press X so it switches to black, and you want to hit Alt backspace. So what we're going to do to bring it back in is use a splatter brush. Now if you guys don't have this, I'll leave a link down below. Now once you have them installed, you can go ahead and click on any one of these. We're going to go and press X again to switch it to white. So we're just going to tap around and you just want to switch between black and white just like so. So just spam it. Now what you want to go ahead and do is you want to create your text. So for me, I'm going to type no roof and I'm going to use Arial. I'm going to scale it down just a little bit. We're going to Control J and we're going to hold Control and Shift and we're just going to drag it over. And we're going to duplicate this so it creates kind of like a line. So we're going to click on this text layer, hold Shift, and then Control J, Control T, Shift, Control, and move over. And you just want to keep doing that. Now once you have this, you want to merge it. So just hold Shift on the top layer, click on the bottom one and Control E. And we're going to Control J that. We're going to move it up and we're going to bring this behind everything. Now to get this sick colorway look, we're going to go ahead and use adjustments. So you want to click on this little button right here, gradient map, and you want to put to these colors right here. Put that to lighter color. Next we have a vibrance, so vibrance all the way down. Then you want to go ahead and grab a solid color, put the gray, and then we can go up to filter, noise, put that to monochromatic, about 20%, put that to soft light. Then we want to go ahead and create another gradient map. This time it's going to be a black and white. Once you have your gradient map, you want to go ahead and go to blend mode and you want to put that to overlay. Then you want to go ahead put a brightness contrast, bring the brightness up. Then you want to go ahead and grab a curves tool. Now, if you guys are trying to save some time and level up your cover art, I do have a whole adjustment pack dedicated to these type of looks.